Hello everyone, how you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. If this is your first time of seeing my video, hi, my name is Etiyosa. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make lip scrub. Okay, so this lip scrub is going to exfoliate your lip, make it more brighter and more lighter, and also it's going to help get rid of dead skin cell. And you know, if you have cracked lip, this lip scrub is going to help heal your lip. Okay, so I want to let you guys know that this particular recipe is something you can make and sell. Is tested and trusted. Okay, very much effective. It's something that I usually use on my lip and I also sell it. So that's why I decided to show you guys this recipe today. Few days ago or few weeks ago, I made this amazing lip balm. So if you haven't seen that video, you might just check the video out so you can also learn how to make lip balm. Okay, so it's been like 4 weeks now, I think, and the lip balm is still very much okay, very effective. I've been using this, my friends have been using this, and my customers have been using this, and it has been doing very good job. Okay, so this is going to make your lip pink, very soft, and also more plumpy. Okay, so this is a lip balm. If you want to learn how to make your own lip balm, you can check the video, is on my YouTube channel. Okay, so you can sell this lip balm alongside with the lip scrub. Okay, so now in case you guys are wondering what I have here, this is my lemon juice. Okay, so you need this whenever you want to make your lip scrub. Okay, so this is going to help get rid of dead skin cell and help you know, exfoliate your lip. Okay, so I added in color into this. When making lip scrub or when you are adding your pink coloring, I advise you shouldn't add it directly into your product because it's going to be a bit difficult for you to mix together. This, you are not going to make use of water because this is sugar, so if you add water into it, it might just melt. Even the lemon juice can also melt your sugar, but it's not going to be as water. We are not going to be adding much. As you guys can see, I'm making a very small quantity. And then the next ingredient that you're going to be needing is shea butter. Shea butter is going to help moisturize your lip after scrubbing, and also is going to help heal your lip. And then we have tea tree essential oil. You can use any essential oil of your choice. Okay, so I'll be adding this into it, just 2 drop or 3 drop. And then you're going to be needing strawberry fragrance. This is optional, guys. So this is going to give your strawberry lip scrub a very nice smell. And then you're going to be needing vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant. It's going to help heal your lip, and also it's going to help soften your lip. And then we are going to be adding in glycolic acid. So this is optional, guys. If you don't have this, you can still make your lip scrub without glycolic acid. So this is going to help get rid of dead skin cell and exfoliate the lip. And then we have this AHA white here. So this does not only exfoliate the lip, it's going to help brighten your lip, and also it's going to help get rid of dark spots, and also it's going to help leave your lip very smooth and more beautiful. Okay, so you're going to be needing few drops of this. We are not using much. Okay, so now the first thing that I'll be doing is adding in my oils first. Here I have my shea butter. I just melted this, I think a half teaspoon or something. You don't need much because you are still going to add in more oils into this. So this is my shea butter. And then I have almond oil. Yes, I forgot to show you guys. So this is my almond oil. So I'm going to be adding half teaspoon. Okay, so you don't need much because you still have some few things that you're going to be adding into it. So in order for you to prevent your scrub from being runny, you have to be very careful with the quantity. Oh my god, that's it, very much. So I think we'll do with that. Okay, that's enough. I just need little, as small as half teaspoon. Okay, so this is enough. So next thing I'll be adding into the scrub is my vitamin E oil. I'll be adding in half a teaspoon as well, just a little. At this point I have to be very careful, so just a little, half teaspoon is enough. And please mind you, this scrub is not edible. Please, whenever you finish exfoliating your lip, just leave it on for like 2 minutes and then you rinse off. So I'm going to be adding in just a few drops of this, which is enough. And then next thing I'll be adding is this white. So I'm going to be adding a few drops as well. That's enough. And then next thing I'll be adding in is my lemon juice with food coloring. So I'm going to be adding just a little. That's enough. You don't need too much. Okay. And then next thing I'll be adding in is my strawberry fragrance. I'll be adding in half a teaspoon. A little can go a long way. You don't need too much. This is enough. Okay. So mind you, if you know that you want to be making a large quantity of this scrub, you can add in a bit of preservative because of the lemon juice and the rest of the ingredient. The AHA contains water as well, so just add in a bit of preservative. So this is tea tree essential oil, so I'm going to be adding in just a few drops. That's enough. That's about 5 drops. I'm making this scrub for myself and for a friend, so that's why it's very, very small. I don't need too much. So you can see how beautiful the scrub looks like. It looks so fine, and the fragrance is so fine. The fragrance is so good. So this is how to make your lip scrub. As it looks right now, it looks as if it's a bit runny, but this is how I want it. I don't need to add in more sugar. So if you make yours and you feel like it's runny, you can add in more sugar instead. Okay. And if it's not thick enough, you can add in more shea butter or your almond oil. So those are the only 2 things you can add into it. So this is how to make a lightening lip scrub. I hope you guys like this video. If you watch this video to this point, please do not forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.